Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jonah with capitalz, and this is my week 14 portfolio update video for my TFSA. I'm doing this video before market open on Monday, September 20th. And yeah, the account did pretty well last week actually. It was sitting at $15,744, and I deposited $250 for that week, so it would have been just shy of 16,000, but the account actually rocketed a little bit. I won't show it properly here in the graphs, but you can just go back to my last portfolio update and I'll show you the activity here in a sec. But down $57 in the past day. The past week it says I'm up $35, but it's actually about 143 for the month, $354 for the past 3 months, $391 for the past year, and I'll say the same for all time there. So yeah, $252 actually, because I added $2 extra to buy a stock that I was just short on. But anyway, I'll show you guys the dividends, because that was definitely the highlight of the week, which actually probably brought up my account a little bit more. But as you can see, on September 15th, I got $13.85 since September 15th. So one of those was by IDR, my real estate ETF. Oh, that I sold off though. GDV, my global diversification split fund, I guess, was another one. Then EIT.UN, my canoe EIT income fund in Canada. LBS, Life and Bank Split Corp, which is really heavy on financials and banks. So that one paid me out 60 cents. My Enbridge split fund, ENS, paid $4.55, and DGS, can't quite remember the name off the top of my head, but they paid me $3 too. Just another split fund. It's a little bit higher risk. So I'll just show the dividends so far for the past few months here. So as you can see, in September, it's my highest month so far. I'm at $31. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'm not even at the end of the month, and I'm already surpassed all those other months by more than double. So I'm pretty happy about that. And all my dividends so far rack out to $81.55. That's just extra money to buy more stocks. So I'm super pleased with that. And nothing else for my RSP yet. I'll just go ahead here and show you what I actually bought during the week, because I wasn't really telling you guys on the last updates, but I'd like to do that now. So I noticed with my ZW covered calls, ZWE, or the European fund, was down a little bit. So I just picked up a couple of shares. I think it was about 40 cents off for each. So picked up a couple of those, and bought 2 shares for Intertape Polymer Group. I did a video about them, but basically they supply warehouses with like tape machine guns, and it uses reinforced paper as tape. And it's a company that's been growing their dividends for the past few years, and I see good potential for growth, and with their partnerships that they're acquiring, and just getting more market share. So I feel confident, as I use these products before in my last warehouse job. And yeah, so I bought ITP there, and I bought RS, which is like my replacement for IDR. You could say I've only bought 1 share for $18.80. Another one that was just a little discount. And let me see here. Yeah, we got 1 for BTK too. And then earlier in the week, I bought TD for $82. ETD is a pretty good price right now. Bought more ITP, bought a little bit of HMMJ, and HHL. So here, I'll just show you guys the holdings right quick. So CNR is actually starting to rebound a tiny bit. I thought they were dropping to the ground when, the partnership with Kansas City Railroads didn't go through, but it's actually starting to catch up a little bit. So happy to see that. DGS, which is actually my riskier split fund that paid me out, it's doing pretty well, up nearly $9. So at least that's not shooting back down. So, because the price usually goes up and down for that. NXF is actually doing pretty well. It's a Global Giants Energy covered call. It's only $4.53, but check out the distribution history for this one, guys, because the dividends are pretty nice for that quarterly. Power Corp of Canada just continues to be a powerhouse, up $45. Same with Severia Corporation, almost up $30. So wait for a little dip for them. TXF is another. It's a tech ETF that I'd like to add more money into. So VFE, I'm up $9. I only have one share for them. Trying to figure out a good entry point, but this stock just keeps going up, and I'm up $9 with only $100 in it, so might have to just buy some anyway. And then all of my BMO covered calls. And as you can see, ZWE was the one that was down the most for the past week, so that's the one I picked up. But anyway, that's what the account's sitting at, guys. I hope you have a good week, and let me know your progress so far, and if you had any great dividends that came in for the month of September. And take care, guys.